Welcome back to my channel, where we discuss the latest trends and predictions in the world of cryptocurrencies. In today's video, we'll be diving into the top 3 cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple, and analyzing their price predictions. Specifically, we'll be examining the potential impact of the FOMC, Federal Open Market Committee, on these 3 major cryptocurrencies and whether or not it will put an end to BTC's bull rally. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. Bitcoin price shows a lack of buying pressure that has negatively affected some sectors of altcoins, including Ethereum and Ripple. But the upcoming macroeconomic events are key in helping frame the directional bias for BTC and put wind in its sails. A hawkish stance from the Federal Reserve Chairman, Jerome Powell, is likely to cause a whiplash leaning bearish in the short term. But if the inflation hedge narrative pops like the last time, BTC and the larger crypto ecosystem will see a bullish outlook. Bitcoin price faces intense selling pressure. Bitcoin price has been struggling to overcome the $29,630 to $30.480 bearish breaker for nearly 2 weeks. The recent retest of this setup was over the weekend, which resulted in a 5.80% slide to the downside. This bearish outlook is likely to continue until the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision and the Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, conference scheduled for May 3. This event should trigger a strong response for Bitcoin price. An overly hawkish stance is technically bearish for risk-on assets like stocks and Bitcoin. In the short term, BTC might slide lower, but if the inflation hedge narrative gains traction, traders can expect the big crypto to rally in the long run. In such a case, Bitcoin price could eye a retest of the $35,000 hurdle. On the other hand, if Bitcoin price fails to react to the Fed's interest rate decision or FOMC conference and rally, it will indicate a lack of confidence. In such a case, BTC could crash down to the $25,000 level. Ethereum price remains a puppet. Ethereum price moves have remained in lockstep with Bitcoin price for obvious reasons. ETH undid the gains it raked up over the second week of April. Despite its correlation with Bitcoin, the bearish divergence on the 3-day chart is one of the reasons why Ethereum price crashed down by 15% in the last 2 weeks. However, if the above-mentioned outlook comes to reality for Bitcoin price, the smart contract token is likely to follow BTC's lead and tag the $2,200 hurdle, followed by the $2,543 blockades. While the outlook for Ethereum price remains largely dependent on Bitcoin price, a failure to hold above the $1,817 support flow will invalidate the bullish scenario. In such a case, ETH could slide down to inefficiency, extending from $1,478 to $1,564. Ripple price remains at inflection point. Ripple price tried to remain bullish and complete the W pattern as seen in the chart below. However, severe rejection at $0.532 level has paused the uptrend. Furthermore, a spike in selling pressure could likely knock XRP price down to retest the $0.426 support level. If Bitcoin price kickstarts a rally, Ethereum and Ripple price are likely to follow its lead. In such a situation, XRP price could shoot up by 26% and attempt to overcome the $0.532 resistance level. A successful flip of this hurdle will open the path for the remittance token to retest the $0.609 barrier. Regardless of the bullish outlook for XRP price, a failure in the SEC vs Ripple lawsuit could have a serious implications on the token's performance. If XRP price flips the $0.426 support level into a hurdle, it will invalidate the bullish outlook and potentially crash by 30% to tag the range low at $0.288. That's all for today's video on the top 3 cryptocurrency price predictions. We've discussed the latest analysis on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple, and examined the potential impact of the FOMC on their prices. Do you agree with these predictions? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more insights on the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.